I've been teaching this energy work method, and the energy work method is a way to relax the body, to connect the body, and to detoxify. The energy work that I teach is primarily about encouraging flow and relaxation so that, let's just say that things that need to go out of your body can go out of your body. Not by you trying to do it, not by you identifying things, but they just will. It's the same idea. You know, if you go to the doctor and you say, look, I got a splinter under my skin. You call them splinters here, don't you? Yeah, okay. Right. So I got a splinter under my skin. And the doctor will often say, you know, it will come out. You know, I got something in my eye. It will come out. You know, I got something in my throat. Oh, it will come out. I got something in my stomach. Oh, it will come out. Right? And normally it will come out. So the energy work that I do, stuff will come out.